Hello guys, welcome back. This is Mathrik. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new update. And don't skip this video until you watch it because this video it might help you on how to solve the differential equation by using the first order. And for today's video, we are looking at the first order linear differential equations. And the most thing you must consider when dealing with the first order of linear differential equation C, it is y prime, which is in standard form, which is y prime plus p x y equals q x. And the things which must be determined here, it is px and qx. Let's proceed. I x equals e to the power integral px dx. Then let's write the general formula, which is y prime equals 1 over I open bracket x in the bracket, then open square bracket, we have integration of I x in the bracket multiplied by q x in the brackets multiplied by dx, which is dx plus c, a c which is a constant of integration. If you are given, this is example 1, if you are given y prime plus 8y, which is equals to 4e power x. So let's consider this one. Let's take this formula, which is y prime plus p open bracket x in the bracket, when y equals qx. That is px, we must substitute with px, it is equals to 8. And then for qx, we all know that it is the final answer, which is qx equals 4 e power x. Then I open bracket x equals to e to the power integral of px dx. Then let's substitute. We all know that where there is px, there is 8, which is equals to e power integration of 8 dx. Then let's integrate 8. Then it will be e to the power 8x. We all know how to integrate, right? Then here it is I equals e power 8x. The general formula, we all know that it is this one. So let's substitute now. It is y prime equals 1 over, where there is I open bracket x in the bracket, we put e power 8x, which is open square brackets, then integral, where there is I open bracket x, we substitute there is e power 8x, then multiply by, where there is qx, it is 4 power 4e power x, then multiply by dx plus c. So now let's continue with the solution. Here we have y prime equals 1 over e power 8x open square brackets. Then here we are going to remove this 4, it will come here, then it will be 4 integral e power 8 times e power x plus c in the close square brackets, then y prime equals 1 over e power 8x, open square brackets. Then we all know that when we are multiplying, we have the same base. We are going to add the powers. Here there is 8x here. We are going to add the powers, in which it will be 4 integral of e power 8x plus x, then it will be 9x plus c, close square bracket. Then y prime equals 1 over e power 8x, open square brackets. Then let's integrate this one, in which it will be 4e, which is 9x over 9 plus c. Y prime equals 1 over e power 8x, open brackets, open square brackets. Then here, let's multiply. We have 1 times 4, which is 4 over 9, multiplied by 1 times 9, 9x, it will be 9x over 9 e power 9x over, here we are going to have e power 8x plus c. Then when we multiply 1 times c, we are going to have c over e power 8x, then open close square bracket. Y prime equals, then we have 4 over 9 multiplied by e power 9x over e power 8x plus c over e power 8x. Then we all know that here when we are dividing, we must subtract the powers. So it will be y prime equals 4 over 9. Here we are going to remain with e power x plus c. Let's it is in positive, so let's take it into negative. Then it will be e power negative 8x. So this is the final answer.